Instagram is a powerful tool to connect with your audience, and that's why today I want to share with you 5 ways to optimize your Instagram bio. Stick around. Hola everybody, and welcome back to Focus and Bloom. I'm your host Jasenia, and this is your place for photography, video, and business education. If you like content like this, go ahead and click subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. We share different videos each week, videos like this, and we also have videos for the Focus and Bloom podcast. So today we're talking about Instagram and how to optimize the Instagram bio. The Instagram bio is really like your elevator pitch. So it's short, sweet, and to the point. So let's walk you through this. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through using my own Instagram account so that you can take a look at it. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe or follow me on Instagram. So, all right, the first thing that you want to go over is from top to bottom. You wanna make sure that your handle represents your brand. You want to make sure that your social media handles are actually the same throughout the different platforms. This actually makes it just easy. Sometimes you may not be able to do this, but if you can, just go ahead and use that same handle throughout all your various platforms. So again, top to bottom, you have your handle, in my case, Focus and Bloom Studios. The next one is a brand photo where you see brand photo and video coach. This line here is actually searchable. So you want to make sure that you're using keywords that relate to what you do, or maybe specifically to a particular area that you serve. So in my case, I have brand photo and video coach. So right now I have 4 specific keywords: brand as in branding, photo, photography, video, and coaching. So if somebody's looking for something related to that, I'm going to pop up in their search bar within Instagram. Following that, you've got the category photographer. In my case, you can't really have multiple categories, so just pick the one that best relates to you. The next thing is your Instagram bio. And your bio actually is limited to 150 characters. And this is why it's kind of like an elevator pitch: short, sweet, and to the point. So what are you going to talk here or write down in your bio? Remember, the bio isn't about you. So this is not, I love plants and puppies and I'm vegan and whatever else. Cool, that's fine, but that sounds more like a personal profile than a business one. Remember, you're going to address to that particular person that represents your niche, to your avatar. In my case, I have grow your influence and impact with purpose-driven photo and video content strategy. Now, if you notice, as part of that bio, I also have a couple of emojis and I have my name. The reason why I have my name there is because I'm no longer using my name as part of my brand. My business name used to be Jasenia Bocanegra Photography, and then in 2020, I changed it to Focus and Bloom Studios. So because there isn't any reference to my name, I added that there so people know who to address. Who am I? This bio portion is really about your audience. What do you do? Who do you serve? How can you help them? And along that same line, the next thing that you want to look into, actually, I'm going to go back a little bit up, is that photo. That profile picture, you want something that is professional looking and that you're actually looking at the camera. Now, if you are a product-based business, in that case, you want to include a photo for one of your products. And it should be a photo where you can see the whole product and it's clear and bright. Like it's not bright necessarily, but it's clear and professional looking. Now, if you're still looking at the Instagram bio, my bio here, you'll see an arrow with a learn video. That right there, that's the next thing that's important. That's a call to action, a CTA. You want to add a call to action as part of your bio so that you can ask people to take the next step. And in that case, that is that link to the link in bio. That's the next one. It's having a link on your Instagram bio. You can do this in a variety of ways by signing up for Linktree, which you can do so for free. Another platform is Milkshake, or you can also just create a landing page on your website and use that link on your link in bio on Instagram. The point of that link in bio is that you have a series of different links that relate to stuff that relate to your work or your business. So maybe you are launching a product soon or a new service. Then that call to action could be sign up today, or sign up for the course, or sign up for the wait list, or get your course today. Learn more. Book a discovery call or book a session, schedule a call. That is a call to action. The last line is actually your location. So I am based in Raleigh, although I do travel in my secondary location. It's kind of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Really short, sweet, and to the point. And that's something that you can always update as much as you need to based on what's coming up down the pipeline of your marketing strategy. So if you're launching, again, that call to action might change. If you're pivoting, that bio might change as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and check out next week's episode of the Focus and Bloom podcast, or you can also binge watch some of these videos here. Take care.